This 2016 Jayco Eagle 293 RKDS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 35 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, DVD player, leveling jacks, oven, spare tire kit, LP detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, awning, stove top burner, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Jayco Eagle 293 RKDS is 9,640 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.